Hey Champak, long time. Where have you been, buddy?
Oh yeah, I went to Dubai for a trip.
Oh, nice. What did you see there?
Man, don't ask me. I got overwhelmed by Dubai. Still trying to get over it. Why don't the government in our country build a city that would become a model for the whole world?
See, the government is making various smart cities. Just wait for a few years. There will be a lot of such cities even in India.
If that happens, I'll get convinced that our country has developed. But if a lot of smart cities are being built in the country, then work must be going on in them. A lot of companies would also be involved in them.
You might be thinking which companies in the share market will benefit from it.
Yes, this seems to be a promising space. Do you know about any such company that is working for a smart city?
Well, yes, there is one such dark horse, and that is Aurionpro Solutions Limited. It is an established player in the smart city segment. In big cities, specifically in metros or smart cities, there is a huge need for transportation. Improvements in urban mobility and reduction of congestion are being achieved through the development of new methods using intelligent transportation systems, which will be adopted throughout the country in the future. The crucial role of affordable and efficient mobility for the public has been instrumental in the progress of the economy. It is estimated that by the year 2050, India will become the world's third largest economy. Therefore, mobility will be a crucial element for this. In such an environment, companies that will benefit the most include Aurionpro Solutions Limited.
Aurionpro Solutions provides business solutions for fields such as transaction banking platform, customer experience, smart city and smart transportation experience. Along with this, the company also provides solutions for fields like corporate banking, treasury, internet banking, governance and compliance. In the past 4 years, there have been several major fundamental changes in this company. The management has transformed the company from a software services provider to a software products company. This company provides IP-based solutions for retail banking, wholesale banking, and treasury and capital markets. Aurionpro is an established player in the smart cities segment. The company works with various government departments to create smart cities and smart surveillance systems with the help of system integration and big data and analytics.
Ajay, you told about the company's business in very detail. But what about its order books? Is there anything significant or just house of cards?
What are you even talking about? As of December 2022 end, that is the third quarter of FY23, the company had an order book of 760 crore rupees. More than 50% of the order book comes from India, over 30% from Asia Pacific and around 7% from America.
The estimated market size for global shared mobility is expected to reach $731.5 billion by 2030. During the period from 2022 to 2030, it is estimated to have a CAGR growth of 16.9%. The increasing penetration of the internet and investments in shared mobility applications have led to rapid growth in this sector. The automatic fare collection (AFC) system is an integral part of businesses related to public transportation. Aurionpro offers solutions related to various technologies including open-loop EVM-based ticketing, closed-loop-based ticketing, and account-based ticketing. In India, Aurionpro has successfully implemented AFC for the Noida, Nagpur and Delhi metros, and these projects are now gaining momentum.
So Champak, you just learned about the company's business and order book. Now, I will tell you about the company's management team. Also, I will tell you about its financial performance.
The company's co-promoter team is Paresh Zaveri, Amit Sheth and Ashish Rai. Rai is a seasoned business leader who has 22 years of experience of establishing and leading fintech and enterprise software businesses. Talking about financial performance, the company has performed well in the first 9 months of FY23. Earnings and operating profit increased 30%, while profit growth is higher than earnings growth. During this period, its profit grew 40%. The management is confident that the company will attain 25 to 30% revenue growth while maintaining 22 to 23% operating margins.
See, basically, as I told you, two growth areas which are very important apart from the banking and fintech sector is the smart mobility and the transit business. Smart mobility applications have been increasing significantly, and I think as more and more smartphones gather momentum in the country, you're going to find a lot of smart mobility applications which this company does. It also does a lot of smart city projects, infrastructure projects. So basically, smart mobility is one area. The second is the transit business, which basically is used by a lot of infrastructure and metro projects. In fact, in India, the company has implemented already 3 projects. A lot of other projects the company has bidded. Even internationally, the company has done a lot of work on the transit business. And most importantly, the company has a very strong backup in terms of the hardware support. For example, whatever software products the company develops, the hardware for that is also developed in-house, and that gives them a considerable edge when we talk to the customers and offer integrated proposal to the customers when they finally bid for the project. So my sense is that smart mobility, transit, banking, fintech, these are all growing segments which are going to offer a lot of niche opportunities. And the company is a differentiated player. It is not a normal IT services company, but it offers a niche in a segment like banking and fintech, as well as smart mobility and transit business. So to that extent, this is a very unique business with a very steady revenue stream and with a very strong EBITDA margin. So to that extent, one can always look at it as a differentiated player in the IT sector.
You're talking about all the positives, but what about the risks for the company?
Alright, relax. I'm coming to that.
See, I think most importantly, this company is largely dependent on the BFSI banking and the fintech sector. Of course, transit business and smart mobility is also a very important element of the business. But if there is any negative surprise in India, especially in the banks, or there are some cutback in the budgets from the Indian banks or from the Asian banks where the company has got large order wins already, that could put a little obstruction for the company's earnings growth going forward. But on the other hand, what we are seeing is that the company has been steadily increasing its order book. It has a diversified product and customer base. So to that extent, some mitigation has been done. But yes, if there is a big cutback in IT budgets by the domestic banks or by the banks in Asia, especially APAC region, then that could definitely mean a negative surprise for the company going forward.
Okay, I have understood that the company is related to futuristic business and has strong fundamentals. So, what about valuations and targets by experts?
Now, Aurionpro's share has remained flat over the past year. As of this year, that is 2023, it is trading at around 325 rupees, which is around 4.5% in decline. It is trading at a PE multiple of around 6 times the estimated EPS for FY24 and 4 times for FY25.
See, I think talking about the next 12 months, we believe that this company can get a multiple of at least 8 to 10 times. And normally, IP companies operate in a niche business with a very strong competitive moat in terms of their IP-led products. If you talk about earnings for FY23, that is the current year, Aurionpro should record earnings of 40 rupees. And thereafter, we look at earnings of at least 51 to 52 rupees. So after looking at these earnings numbers and the earnings growth which the company is going to present, we believe the stock is very cheaply available as of now. Our sense is that we could at least look at a target price of 450 over the next 12 months. And thereafter, of course, based on the performance, based on the order wins, one could definitely take a fresh review and then evaluate the stock.
So Champak, have you understood that Aurionpro Solutions is a unique share? It has competitive strength, strong growth drivers, and its valuations are also expected to be strong. So, do you want anything else?
I'm really fascinated. How do you pick up all these diamonds in dust?